All right, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add number to emergency. Every phone have emergency. After the video I made telling us the importance of numbers on that emergency, a lot of people requested that I tag them in this video. I should do a video on how to add contact to emergency. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add it. Do way to share this video. It's very, very important to every phone user. Let's go. Add emergency contact to your phone. When you come to the smartphone, you see that this particular phone is locked. Swap up like this. You see emergency. Tap on it twice. It will show you this, okay? You see emergency information. Just tap it twice. It will bring you to this interface where you have the number you have added. And if you have not added any number, all you need to do is just to tap on this small icon. Just tap it this way. Remember, this is for educational purpose, please. I'm not doing it to promote any harm or crime. Now, what you need to do is just to take your phone, make sure you add your password to unlock it. When it will bring you to this interface. Now, you see this add contacts. You see add contacts. All these contacts and numbers I've added. Just click on add contacts. Okay, touch it this way. It will take you to where you have other contact on your phone. Now you see all the contact on my phone. Any number I want to add here, I'll just click on it. Okay, this way. Look at it. It has been added here. You see it? The number has been added. To remove it, if you don't want it or that you want to remove any other number, all you need to do is just to tap on this cancel. It will show you remove. Okay, just tap it this way. The number will be removed immediately from your contacts. Remember, this is for educational purpose. I'm not doing it to promote any harm or crime. I'm doing this for in case you lost your phone or in case there is any emergency that someone need to contact your family. This person can easily use this particular emergency number to contact anybody from your family or your relative, or that you lost your smartphone. The person can easily contact anybody that knows you to come and pick the smartphone. Thank you so much for watching. Find it useful, share so that others will benefit.